Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. The Gemini command line interface, that is CLI, is a powerful open source AI agent from Google that brings the capabilities of the Gemini model directly into your terminal. Unlike a traditional chatbot, it's designed to understand and act on your natural language commands to perform complex multi-step tasks within your local development environment. Here is a review of its features, performance, and user experience based on a community and developer feedback since its release in mid 2025. Let's see the features of it. A developer's AI teammate. Gemini CLI is more than just a code generator, it's a full-fledged agent designed to integrate with a developer's workflow. Let's start with project and file level awareness. This is one of the most impressive features. The CLI can analyze your entire code base, over 1 million tokens of context, allowing it to understand cross-file dependencies and providing contextually relevant suggestions. You can ask it to fix the bug in this file or generate unit tests for this entire directory. We also have built-in developer tools feature here. It comes with a suite of built-in tools that allow it to interact with your local environment. These include file manipulation, that is read, write, or edit, shell command execution as well, and a built-in web search to ground its responses with real-time information. You can also use an exclamation prefix to run a shell command directly within the Gemini CLI session. Let's also see this feature, extensibility with MCP. The Model Context Protocol, MCP, is a key innovation. It's an open standard that allows developers to extend the CLI's capabilities by connecting it to custom APIs or third-party services. We also have multimodal support. Leveraging the Gemini model, the CLI is capable of understanding and reasoning over images, PDFs, and other media. You can ask it to generate code from a PDF or analyze a diagram to explain its architecture. We also have generous free tier. One of its major selling points is its generous free tier, which provides access to the powerful Gemini 2.5 Pro model with a million token context window. This includes up to 60 requests per minute and 1,000 requests per day for personal Google accounts, making it a compelling alternative to paid-only services. Now, let's see the performance. That is powerful but growing pains. The performance of Gemini CLI is generally impressive, but it's a new tool that is still being refined. In performance, we have the response speed, so for simpler tasks, it's incredibly fast. However, for complex, multi-step tasks, the reason and act, that is react loop, it uses to plan and execute a solution can take some time. We also have consistency. A key point of frustration for some users on the free tier is that the model can occasionally switch from Gemini 2.5 Pro to the less capable Gemini 2.5 Flash, which can lead to inconsistencies in the quality of its responses. We also have stability. As an open source tool in active development, there are occasional reports of bugs, API errors, and the agent getting stuck in an execution loop. However, its open source nature means that community contributions are rapidly improving its stability. We also have file I/O, that is input/output. For Windows users, performance is generally strong due to native Windows support, which is often a smoother experience than tools that require the Windows subsystem. For Linux, that is WSL. Let's also see the user experience, a new paradigm for the command line. The user experience of the Gemini CLI is a fundamental shift from traditional terminal use. Natural language interface, the core of the experience is interacting with your code base using natural language. We also have human in the loop, that is HTL. The CLI is designed to be a collaborator, not a replacement. Before it makes any changes to your files, it presents a detailed plan for your review. You can approve, deny, or edit the plan, giving you full control over every action. We also have IDE integration. While it is a standalone CLI, it has a deeper integration with IDEs like VS Code through Gemini Code Assist. This allows it to become context aware of the files you have open and provide targeted in-editor suggestions with the native diving capabilities for side-by-side comparison. We also have ease of setup. For many users, the setup is straightforward. After a simple npm install command, a browser-based login with a personal Google account provides immediate access to the free tier without the need for an API key. Now, this is the conclusion. A powerful, evolving tool. Gemini CLI is a revolutionary tool that redefines how developers can interact with their projects. Its open source nature, coupled with its immense context window, local file system integration, and extensibility, makes it a powerful AI agent that stands out from competitors like GitHub Copilot, which is more IDE focused, and Cloud Code, which has a more limited free tier. That's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.